What are the conditions and requirements to use Afterpay for paying phone bills?
Hello, welcome to today's video. We are here to provide you with a thorough guide on using Afterpay to settle your phone bills. Afterpay is a buy now, pay later service that can potentially make managing your finances easier. So, let's dive into the conditions and requirements needed to use this service.
What is Afterpay?
Afterpay is an innovative financial tool that allows you to make purchases and pay for them in 4 equal installments, due every 2 weeks. It can be used for a variety of services and products, including phone bills, depending on the merchant's agreement.
Who can use Afterpay?
To use Afterpay, you must meet certain conditions. 1. Be at least 18 years old, or the age of majority in your state. 2. Have a valid and verifiable email address and mobile number. 3. Use a U.S. credit or debit card to make a purchase. 4. Be capable of entering into a legally binding contract. 5. Have a verifiable and valid ID note. If you're a first-time user, Afterpay will limit the purchase amount. As you create a successful repayment track record, your spending limit may increase.
How to use Afterpay for phone bills?
Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Afterpay doesn't directly support paying phone bills. They partner with various retailers and businesses, allowing customers to use their service for purchases at those places. However, you can't directly use Afterpay to pay your phone bill unless your telecom provider is one of their partners.
What if my telecom provider is an Afterpay partner?
If your phone bill provider happens to be an Afterpay partner, then you can follow these steps. 1. Choose Afterpay as your payment method at checkout. 2. Quickly create an account using your existing debit or credit card. Afterpay splits your payments over 4 equal installments due every 2 weeks. 3. Nominate the card you want to use and automatic payments are scheduled for you. You must remember that you should be able to make all 4 payments. Missing payments can lead to late fees. In conclusion, while Afterpay is a helpful tool for managing expenses, it's not typically used for phone bill payments as of my last training data in September 2021. Should your provider offer this option, ensure you meet all the eligibility criteria and fully understand the repayment terms. Always remember, it's essential to keep up with your payments to avoid any extra charges. I hope this guide has been informative and helps you navigate the world of Afterpay more confidently.